we're gonna do these things are RC pocket racers with remote control and storage case. These things, they're at Walmart, Toys R Us, and a few other stores, I guess. And I've never seen them before. I just wanted to give it a quick review and check them out. Alright, so here's what they come in, different colors. I guess they don't have they look like, you know, GTR Lamborghinis and whatever, but they're really not. I guess they don't have permission or whatever. So let's open it up. I guess it's one of those, you know, as seen on TV products. So let me see if I can get it open. There we go. So there's the alright, and wow, there's nothing in there, you know, all that for nothing, I guess. And here's the car. Car's like alright, here we go. Alright. There's the car, you know, size of a Hot Wheel, kind of a little bit smaller actually. Alright, so here's the I guess a little book on, you know, and shows you what to do and, you know, how to do it and stuff, and a little bit of instructions. Let's see. But yeah, a little bit about it. Okay, and I guess right here it shows you what, you know, buttons, what they do. Okay, pretty simple. All right, let's check the remote thing. So I guess that's where you put the car in, you hook it up to that, you charge it, right? These look like them, what's it called? I guess, what's it? Hot Wheels had these little mini. No, it was these little remote control trucks, monster trucks that they had. They were awesome. I have a few of them. I don't remember their names, but they're pretty cool. So yeah, this looks like one of them old cassette tape cases. Actually, a lot of you guys don't know what those are. If you're from the 80s, 90s. Even late 90s, you probably do know, but yeah, it looks like a cassette thing. Alright, here's the oh, almost dropped it. Alright, there's the car. Looks like a mixture of I don't know, Alfa Romeo, Lamborghini, and then all kinds of mixtures. But yeah, so let's see. Alright, let's check it out. Well, got, yeah, rubber tires, pretty cool. It's all plastic. The mold, I guess the case is plastic, bottom is plastic. Aluminum, oh no, plastic wheels, just rubber tires. That's pretty cool. Alright, here's the little car. I guess it goes in like this, right? And then I guess you just, alright, like that. Okay, so let's turn it on and see how it works. Let's see. Okay, that's on. Let's turn this thing on. Alright, I guess nothing. Nope, nada. Well, I'm gonna make a video and charge it up, you guys, so we'll see what, you know, how they work. But yep, these are the new RC pocket racers. Alright, Walmart, Toys R Us. It's as seen on TV products. Micro car, remote control car. Check them out. I will do another video when I charge it so you guys can see, you know, the speed and everything.